Hello and welcome to Touch to Click. In this video, we will show you how to edit sent email in Gmail using a simple undo feature so you can quickly fix mistakes. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open Gmail and compose your email as you normally would. This is where you write your message, add recipients, and prepare it to send. Step 2. Click the send button to send the email. Once sent, Gmail will briefly show an option that allows you to undo the action. Step 3. Immediately click the undo option that appears at the bottom left of the screen. This stops the email from being delivered and brings it back. Step 4. Wait for the email to reopen in the compose window. This lets you access the same message exactly as it was before sending. Step 5. Edit the email content to fix any mistakes or make changes, such as correcting typos, updating information, or adjusting the message. Step 6. Click the send button again to resend the edited email, and this time it will be delivered with the correct content. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful videos.